In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner image on Behance. To get started, go ahead and log into your Behance account. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving on, because you'll need access to your profile settings to update your banner. If you manage multiple Adobe or Behance accounts, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're in the correct one before making changes. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and find your profile icon. Hover your mouse over that icon to open the drop-down menu, then select Behance Profile. This will take you directly to your public profile page, where your banner image appears at the top. Now that you're on your profile, look at the banner area. If you already have a banner image in place, hover over it and click Replace Image. If you don't have one yet, you'll see the option to add banner image instead. Click that option and your computer's file browser will open automatically. From there, locate the image you want to use as your banner. It helps to choose an image that is clear, visually appealing, and works well in a wide format, since banner areas are usually horizontal and may crop differently depending on screen size. Once you've found the image, select it, then click Open, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. After that, give Behance a moment to upload the file completely. Depending on the image size and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. Once the upload is finished, you'll be able to adjust how the image appears in the banner space. You can click and drag the image to reposition it, which is useful if you want to center a specific part of the picture. You can also use the zoom slider to zoom in or out until the banner looks the way you want. Take a moment here to make sure everything looks balanced. Since the banner sits at the top of your profile, it's often one of the first things visitors notice, so it's worth checking that the important part of the image is visible and framed nicely. When you're happy with the placement and zoom, click Done to save your changes. And that's it. Your new banner image is now added to your Behance profile.